Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a hexagon. There are lots of ways to do this, but first you're going to grab your compass and you can start with a point or you can just start on a blank piece of paper. But this is my compass and I'm going to grab the pencil part on here. Because I'm doing this electronically, you might do it a little bit differently, but when I do this, I just start wherever I want and then I'm going to move the compass to any point along this circle that you just drew. So I'm going to put my compass, the center of my compass, on a point of the circle, and I'm going to draw that circle again. Okay, now the cool thing about making a hexagon is that you are creating intersection points. Each of those intersection points with your original circle are a vertex of the hexagon that we're making. In fact, let me change the color of this circle just so you can see it a little bit better. So this is my original circle in red. Okay, I'm going to go back here, hit that intersection point, hopefully, make a circle, and you should see I'm making another intersection point, and I'm just going to keep going until I go all the way around the circle. Oops, keep going. There it is. I slide my compass, go around again, and try the best you can to get as accurate as possible and precise. And I'm going to rotate my compass again. And again, I'm going around and around this red circle, my original circle. And I'm going to do it again. And where these intersect now, because this is a computer program, I can't line them up perfectly. You want to be as accurate as possible. These points, the circle that's red and these 2 points should have hit perfectly. It looks like they're a little bit off. So if it hit perfectly, see how it's starting to make this flower arrangement? It should have made a perfect little flower arrangement. So let me try again. So you can do this and you can do it as many times as you need. So I'm going to start with a circle. Pick any point on that circle, line up your compass, make another circle exactly the same size. Grab your compass, go to that intersecting point, and again, mine's going to be a tiny bit off every time because the computer, it's hard to get accurate on that computer. Okay, right there, intersecting point, make another circle, slide to the next intersecting point, and always check, double check, triple check that your compass hasn't changed sizes because it has to be exactly the same sizes. There's another point. Oh, it's starting to look better. This one looks a little bit better. And see how it's only a tiny bit off right there? So I'm going to try. One more time. There we go. That looks a lot better. So this, all the same correct spot, like points and accuracy, but I wasn't close enough. And if you look right here really closely, it's still a little bit off, but we're close. So now I'm going to start by making the actual hexagon. So I'll put this in a different color so it stands out a bit. Let's just use green. And I'm going to go from this intersecting point to the next one, which is a little bit off, but I'm going to kind of fudge it a little bit. And then I'm going to go to the next one. And the next one, I've got half of my hexagon already drawn now. Next, next, next. And there you have a hexagon. So don't feel too bad if it's a little bit off, especially the first time you draw it, but just keep drawing and you will get it. I hope that helped.